Mabuhay, a wonderful Subic. This is Ed Piano, SubicBay.ph. I'm standing here in front of the Subic Bay Marina Lighthouse, and the reason I'm here is to verify the report of Canadian flood experts who claim that the sand material in front of Calaklan, at the mouth of Calaklan River, is not actually coming from Olongapo City as previously believed. They claim that the wave action at the Subic Bay area is in such a direction where the sand coming from the shoreline of the Subic Bay Freeport is actually bringing the sand into the mouth of Calaklan River here in Olongapo City. So today, September 7, 2008, it is very clear that the report of the Canadian flood expert is very true. As you can see, there are 4 major sandbars that we could see here right in front of me, starting from a little bit to the right of the Subic Bay Lighthouse Marina, one in the middle and another right in front of Calaklan River. So they report that building the jetty right in the foot of the Olongapo Calaklan Lighthouse is not actually necessary to control the mouth of Calaklan River from being clogged, because the material clogging the mouth of the river is not actually coming from Olongapo City, but in fact coming from the Subic Bay Freeport. Hence the recommendation of the Canadian flood experts. I fully agree that a jetty has to be built here at the side of the Subic Bay Freeport in order for the mouth of Calaklan River from being clogged and reduce the possibility of flooding in the area of Olongapo City. So this is Ed Piano reporting for the SubicBay.ph and OlongapoSubic.com here at the Subic Bay Freeport, verified that the sandbars at the foot of Calaklan River is actually coming from the Subic Bay Freeport. Today, September 7, 2008. Mabuhay, Olongapo, Subic. Goga po!